Welcome to Italy, a land where history and culture collide with breathtaking landscapes. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the historic streets of Rome, Italy is a country where every corner tells a story. A peninsula that juts deep into the Mediterranean Sea, this enchanting nation is home to some of the most varied and scenic landscapes on Earth, its riveting past shaping the vibrant present. Whether exploring storied ruins, savoring delectable cuisine, or marveling at Renaissance art, Italy promises a journey as rich and diverse as its heritage. Join us as we uncover the allure of Italy, where every visit is an experience, a memory, and a treasure to hold. Val d'Orcia in Tuscany, Italy is a postcard-perfect destination. Its stunning aerial view showcases rolling hills, charming villages, and vibrant green landscapes. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this picturesque region attracts visitors with its iconic cypress trees and golden wheat fields. Val d'Orcia is a serene and inspiring haven for those seeking the beauty of Tuscany. Milan, a vibrant city in northern Italy, is a hub of fashion, culture, and history. Known for its impressive architecture, including the iconic Duomo di Milano, Milan offers a blend of ancient treasures and modern elegance. As a global fashion capital, it attracts trendsetters and designers from around the world. From exploring world-class museums and art galleries to indulging in exquisite Italian cuisine and shopping in high-end boutiques, Milan offers a dynamic and unforgettable experience for visitors. Rome, the eternal city and capital of Italy, is a captivating blend of ancient wonders and modern vibrance. With iconic landmarks like the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Vatican City, Rome is steeped in history and architectural marvels. Walking through its cobbled streets, you'll discover charming piazzas, ornate fountains, and picturesque alleyways. Indulge in mouth-watering Italian cuisine, sip espresso at sidewalk cafes, and immerse yourself in the rich culture and art that Rome has to offer. It's a city that truly embodies the essence of Italy's past and present. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the beauty of Italy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Let's continue exploring the wonders of the world together.